Rob, you were doing some very interesting things. We were looking at your website, which is quite exciting. And I think this notion that you're doing of the curbside QR, the ability to be able to make it so that we don't have to talk or touch, is probably, in an era of COVID, the single greatest customer service appendage that I've seen. How did you come up with that?
You know, basically, when you look at social distancing and what's going on, a lot of these retailers, they have to, you know, align to that. So what we're doing is both curbside pickup, that you can message, make an order through your mobile device, and then you go and you curbside pickup. Like at Lowe's, we have this running, and we just signed one of the largest jewelers in the world, where when you walk in the store, next to the product, there'll be a little QR code. You hit it with your phone. You can message someone who's not there, and even in AI, and discuss jewelry. And then when you leave, you know, you'll continue that discussion and they can serve you. And so in the era where we need social distancing, you can't have someone in your face at a store. So here you can use your mobile device and shop safely.
You know, because I thought, first of all, I'm doing this mask initiative. I no longer even believe in 6 feet. I believe if they're speaking right at you, you're in trouble. I just believe that. That's how it's been transmitted. People don't seem to be a little bit obtuse about that. This was the first product that I've seen that said you can still shop and not be worried. And now, what's the adoption of this? Because I think that I wouldn't want to own a retailer if I didn't have it.
Look, the retail sector for us is just booming. You remember last time I talked about Chipotle, where you can build a burrito with this pepper bot, and then you go and you pick up the burrito at the door. So what fueled our 26% growth in the quarter and 29% growth last quarter was really retail. And we're seeing massive adoption for it, where in the past we really dealt with big call centers like telcos and banks, but now retailers are really diving in because, look, they want people to physically maybe come into a store. But once again, you're right, you can't have somebody in your face, you know, talking to you, but you can shop safely if you do it through conversational commerce. I know
when you were on last time, you had just introduced the conversational cloud, so it's been a pretty good summer and early fall.
Yes, you know, I mean, actually, I've been on the show like 7 or 8 times, and if we go back to the original one, I talked, Jim, about the vision of conversational commerce, how AI and automation is going to power the way we're connecting with brands, and I can say now that it's happened. With COVID, you know, there's just been an acceleration where in the past I'm saying, look, this is the future, Jim. And what we see now is it's really the present. It's the present. And we see an acceleration into the future.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.